Welcome to X Creation. Watching this video, you'll be able to make any kind of website just like this by using drag and drop, so don't miss this video out and watch it till the end to learn how to buy a domain free of cost. So let's start. Okay, so before we start we need to first click the link below this video, so I'm going to click this link and it will take you to this page. Now we gotta do this in just few steps. Okay, so the first step is to pick a name for your website. Now I already have picked a name, which is creation.com, so I'm gonna search for it and then click check availability. Okay, so now you can see that the name is available. So once you get the name, you can go to the next step, which is to get hosting and domain to buy. So this is a cart. Now you can see here that they're getting the domain. Now if you change the duration from 2 years to 1 year, you can see that by getting the domain for free. So now let's proceed to check out the GoDaddy. Will ask you to log in, so let's click create account. I'm filling those details, create account, and then continue filling these details. So I'm going to quickly complete the payment. Okay, so now we have completed the payment and we have got a domain and hosting. Now let's go to the next step, which is to install WordPress. We're gonna use WordPress because it makes it very easy to build a website without doing any programming or coding. So let's install WordPress. We're gonna scroll down and then click Manage WordPress and then click Get Started. Now just select your domain and click Next, then again click Next, and now you have to enter a username and password for WordPress. You'll need this to log in into WordPress, so I'm gonna enter my name and password and check install. So WordPress is installed. Now let's click Get Started and then click No Thanks. This is a WordPress dashboard. Now from here you'll be able to control your website if you want to access. Thanks for watching my video. For website design tutorial, you can follow the web series link. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.